Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can make the glow effect in Davinci Resolve 16. So I just started by opening a clip in my timeline, and that's what you want to do as well. Next up, click on the effects library and open the OpenFX right there. Here it is, click on filters, and there you go. So these are all the filters that you can start using. Now if you scroll down, all I need to do is find the glow one, which is on the Resolve FX Lite. So right there you have glow. All you need to do is select this and then drag this over to your clip, and this will add a nice glow. However, in this case, the glow isn't that good. So you can actually customize this by selecting your clip and clicking on inspector and then click on open FX. Now you can then start customizing all of this. So I'll just drag this over here to add a bit less glow, because if you can see, you can see that if I drag it over to the other side, it just has way too much glow. So just like that, you can customize all of this. Okay, so this is pretty much how you can add a nice glow to your videos. You can also change the brightness right here. So I'll just make it a bit less bright because the background is white already. But that's how you can add glow on your video in Davinci Resolve. You can also change the color, so you can colorize this. You can add a nice blue tint to this, which is great as well. So yeah, that's pretty much how you can customize. That's how you can customize your glow and how you can add glow in general. So if this video helped you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like on the video. That would help me out. I would appreciate it if you can leave a comment and let me know if this works for you. And then I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day.